You guys are soaked now.
10 out of 10.
Don't clip that. Purse.
And then they'll be with us. What about it? Is there a fiddler on the street?
Is Sienna bring her purse?
I don't know. I don't know. Look, there's a fiddler.
Wow.
Wait, not Great Harvest. That's not the place.
Where is this?
Okay. This is it right here, the Toasted Pickle. Look at this.
Wow.
That looks pretty cool, actually.
Are we going?
You want to go in, or do you want to order at the pickup window and carry it out?
I don't care. Either one.
How's Grand Haven so far? Are you liking Grand Haven?
It's good.
Very beautiful.
Gorgeous.
I love
Are you excited for the lake?
Yes.
These are the truffle fries.
I think that looks pretty good, actually.
You want to bite?
Let me see. No. No.
Oh no.
How were they? Fave? Was it a fave?
Yes. I forgot to ask them to not put cheese and they forgot me.
You saw your posture in the camera and you wanted to do something about it?
It's warm.
What's the name of the shop?
I don't know.
It doesn't say.
It doesn't say.
Oh, that's my shirt.
Bumps.
Say Mr. Jack.
Bruh.
It doesn't even have a shop name. It doesn't even have a name.
Oh.
Wait, come on, Mia. Let's go this way.
I wonder if they have cat stuff, but it says just dogs. Oh wait. Come in.
On Kittens Day.
Kitten.
I do have to on cash or on Apple Pay. I'll buy my cat food if I find something. All cat stuff.
Kitty kitty meow meow. Kitty meow meow.
What is this?
What is this? Can I teach you this?
Boy!
Oh no, you can't because there's not enough spaces to block a whole wall.
Oh wait, where was I?
These are my nails.
Usually you follow.
I was trying to record the name of the
Oh no. So yeah.
You can do a nail too later.
What?
Jamie, will you give that to Mom so we can buy it?
Hey, give me a crown.
I put this in kindergarten. Give me a crown.
This is me. Just this one for you?
Yes.
Yeah.
A single card can be a combo, and two of the same card can be a combo, three of the same card can get.
They have towels only $5.
Hold it.
Hold it?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I need to do my hole. This is my hole. It's a jumbo nice cube.
Oh. Wow, neat.
I wonder if they had the mini ones.
I have the mini one.
You
Oh,
do?
It might be in my purse actually.
Okay, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah, that's my hole. A jumbo nice cube.
No, it's not in my purse.
Okay, bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Check out his YouTube channel, Zachly
Zachly Will.
No spaces.
At Zachly Will.
Hi, Zachly Will.
What's this little area out here?
Don't clip that.
I'm clipping that.
Don't clip that.
That's good.
I'm clipping it all.
Calm down. my salmon shit. Okay, so we're wonderful now. We're chilling.
Which is cool.
Wow.
Whoa. Sienna has a bunch of tattoos, we can do that. Formerly known as Mom. That's funny.
That one's cool.
That is cute. It looks fuzzy.
What are those?
Wow.
Slushies and things?
Yeah.
Yeah, but where's this food come? Oh, this is that fancy restaurant.
Wait. Oh, wait.
What?
There's real munchies here.
A real what?
Oh.
Walk signage on the cross.
What do you mean real machine? I don't know, but why is everyone in white? Is this a marriage?
Might be a wedding party, yeah.
Let's go.
We can get a waffle cone right here.
I want some ice cream. Can we do that?
Alrighty.
Do you like the hard scoop? Or we can find, they have a bunch, they have a couple other ice cream places. We could get a soft scoop.
Huh?
I'll get cookie dough.
Probably just one.
Okay, can I get cookie dough?
You want the same size one too?
Yeah.
And then anything else?
No, just those two things.
Here's some chocolate.
Okay.
And then total will be $12.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3. Wait, this is kind of cool actually. Kind of like it. Ice cream's good, you said? I wonder what that anchor is up there.
My phone died.
Your phone died?
Yeah.
Wait, I always wanted one of these, you know? One of these like
You
little...
wanted a lot of things.
That's true.
What is this?
It's a toddler. Yeah.
No, why does it?
Everyone?
I don't remember. I think it was some people on yachts.
Oh yeah, well, in this town. In this town, yeah.
Doesn't Tom own the yacht? Someone popped it and then gave it back to me like it wasn't popped. It was just like, but it was literally popped.
Look, they got more ice cream and stuff down here. Guys, let's walk down here. Let's walk down here. What's going on down there?
Can I get a spray tan?
No.
Okay.
What should she do for her birthday, Grace?
Buy that yacht.
Hell yeah, that thing's pretty sweet.
You're Bill and you're gonna come yell at us.
No.
Hello, world. See that? Like Africa, China, Canada, Alaska.
Wait, that's so cool. Look, look. Look
Is
at
he
me.
dumb?
Look how cool it is because, wait, hang on, not that one. Hang on, not that one. My phone's in low power mode.
Why is the bag just like blowing?
Look at the two boats. How cool they look. Isn't that cool in the sky and stuff?
Yes. That was not aesthetic.
You guys are soaked now.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, that wasn't my intention.
Cooled you off though, huh?
Yep.
You have other clothes?
Not on me, and I only brought clothes for tomorrow.
Oh well, you'll be fine. We'll get to the
She's
beach.
sleeping on it. I know she's peeing right now.
Stopped at the gas station, got me a Diet Pepsi. Walked up to the counter. The guy said, "Is that it for you?" I said, "Yep." He said, "You're all set. Enjoy the rest of your day."
Did you take the GoPro in?
No, I didn't. No. I just did the clip just now.